How to build wealth in the AI era. Teach a child the power of compounding, and you don't just give them wealth, you give them freedom for life. Artificial intelligence is reshaping the world faster than any technology before it. Entire industries are changing, jobs are being replaced, and new opportunities are emerging every single day. The question is, how can you build real wealth in the AI era? Today, I'll break down the strategies you need to survive and thrive in this new economy. Why AI changes everything. AI is scaling productivity at levels never seen before. Companies are using fewer people to create more output, which means traditional jobs are shrinking. But those who understand how to position themselves around AI stand to gain massively. So instead of fearing AI, let's learn how to ride the wave. Focus on ownership. Wealth in the AI era won't come just from wages. AI amplifies the value of capital and ownership. Whether that's equity in a company, digital assets, or your own platform. Example, instead of just working for a startup, negotiate equity or create your own AI-powered tool. Takeaway! If you don't own, you'll always be renting your time. Build or invest in something that scales. Principle 2, develop rare skills. Jobs that AI can fully automate will disappear. But roles that leverage AI, data science, prompt engineering, AI strategy, automation design are exploding. Even non-technical industries will reward people who know how to apply AI to cut costs or generate revenue. Takeaway, become the person who knows how to use AI better than anyone else in your field. Principle 3, start small, scale fast. In the AI era, small experiments can grow into massive opportunities. Build side projects, AI newsletters, automation services, niche products. Test, iterate, and use AI tools to minimize costs. Takeaway, wealth will flow to those who act early, not those waiting on the sidelines. Principle 4, go decentralized. AI power is no longer just in big corporations. Open source models, decentralized platforms, and blockchain-based AI projects are growing. Getting involved early in decentralized ecosystems can be like buying into the internet in the 1990s. Takeaway, look beyond corporate monopolies and explore emerging decentralized opportunities. Principle 5, think long-term. AI will create massive short-term hype, but long-term wealth comes from compounding. Avoid chasing every trend. Instead, focus on building durable value, skills, platforms, ownership. Ask yourself, what will still matter 10 years from now when AI is everywhere? Real example. If a Gen Z investor puts just $10,000 into the S&P 500 today and leaves it to grow with historical average returns, by the time they turn 50, they could be sitting on over $1 million. That's the power of time and compounding. Takeaway, start early, invest consistently, and let compounding do the heavy lifting. Building a wealthy future through education. The future of a wealthy population doesn't just depend on technology, it depends on financial literacy. If we want the next generation to thrive in the AI era, we must introduce financial education in our schools. Young people should understand the power of investing, the basics of compounding, and why starting early changes everything. Message! AI may shape the future economy, but financial literacy will shape future generations. Wealth isn't just about money. It's about knowledge, choices, and freedom. Conclusion. Building wealth in the AI era isn't about luck. It's about strategy. Own assets, develop rare skills, launch scalable projects, explore decentralized opportunities, and think long-term. And remember, true progress comes when we teach financial literacy to the young, so everyone has the tools to build a better future. If this video gave you a roadmap for the future, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. The AI revolution has already started. The question is, will you be left behind or will you build your future on it? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you want more deep dive documentaries on money, technology, and the future. This is Felix. See you next time.